All right, so let's move this exercise to the key of G now. So 3rd fret on the thick string, C7's right above it, move it up for the D7. Okay, now we're moving up here to the 10th fret. So it gets a little tight up here. Frets get smaller. So 10th fret, there's my root. It's the 5th of my C chord. And then just slide that up. Same riff. We'll play this one straight instead of swung. Here we go. All right, so if you want to find these PDFs and all the backing tracks, you can just go to the website, greenhillsguitarstudio.com. Sign up for our newsletter. We send out a newsletter every week with a bunch of tips, lesson ideas, kind of special offers, things that don't always hit the website but wind up in our newsletter. So that's a really good resource. So sign up for our newsletter, and I can get you these PDFs and the backing tracks as well. And then also check out our new content library that we just launched. All of this stuff will be located on the in the library as well.